Hi friends, it's Danae Yume Shanti here. Some of you have probably seen me speak at Denver Unity Temple. I want to announce a very, very special experiment. On Sunday, May 5th, I will be doing mini healing sessions with sound healing, crystal bowls, Tibetan bowls, chimes, rain stick, as well as my voice, and channeling JohRei. What is JohRei? JohRei is similar to Reiki, only it's a different system of energy. It's a channeling of universal light that comes through my hand and also comes through my voice, which is great fun. What I do in these mini sessions is attune to your spirit and your cells and allow the sound healing to come forward and the JohRei to come forward in a way that best serves you. May 5th, sessions start at 1. The last booking is at 4. They'll be 20 minutes long. I'm asking for a $25 cash donation. If this is of interest to you, please contact me directly as soon as you're able at 808-298-2387. Love and blessings.